Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at DEGIRO. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. DEGIRO was founded in 2013 and is one of the largest European brokers in the world. This award-winning broker is based in the Netherlands and is trusted by over 2 million traders and investors worldwide. DEGIRO is the trading name of Flatex DEGIRO Bank, which is a company that is supervised by the Federal Financial Supervisory Authority and is one of the 160 largest listed companies in Germany. By trading with DEGIRO, you will have access to more than 50 exchanges from Australia, Japan, Hong Kong, Europe, America, and several others. DEGIRO is a licensed investment firm and is a registered member of the Investor Compensation Scheme and the Deposit Guarantee Scheme. All client funds are held in segregated accounts with trusted banks, so your funds are safe when trading with this broker. DEGIRO offers a powerful trading platform with plenty of beginner-friendly educational resources and low trading fees. DEGIRO offers a variety of shares, commodities, ETFs, bonds, options, and futures from over 50 international exchanges. You can also trade leverage products with this broker, and there are also Forex pairs and low-cost structured products that you can invest in. To find out more about the instruments you can trade with DEGIRO, hover your cursor over the Investing tab and click on either Invest or Markets. DEGIRO's Help Center provides plenty of helpful guides to assist you along the way. However, if you have more specific questions, you can contact the support team directly via email or telephonically. Live chat is not currently a channel of communication with this broker. However, the support team is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and there are designated emails and numbers for orders, accounts, and other departments. Instead of offering traditional account types, as most brokers do, DEGIRO uses a profile system to offer solutions for different styles of trading specifically. There are 4 main trading profiles, but there are 8 categories in total that are designed for beginner to advanced traders and can be used for basic trading, active trading, or professional trading. No minimum deposit is required to open an account with this broker, so you can start with a basic profile to familiarize yourself with the platform and instruments offered, and when you are ready to upgrade, you can do so for free. DEGIRO offers a sophisticated, user-friendly website, and you can easily find all the information you need about the instruments you can trade, the platforms and tools you can use, and the trading conditions offered by choosing an option from the menu bar. Alternatively, you can use the menus at the bottom of the homepage to jump directly to different pages. You can also access all the educational resources, news and trading guides, or visit the Help Center directly from either one of these menus. DEGIRO offers a powerful proprietary trading platform that can be used on mobile devices, desktops, laptops, and tablets. It is a beginner-friendly platform that can be used to access streaming quotes, expert analysis, and market news from one place. This platform offers intuitive order management features, multiple order types, and a great selection of tools and resources for in-depth fundamental and technical analysis. Using DEGIRO's platform, you can secure your account with facial recognition, biometric login, and 2-factor authentication. You can find download links for this platform by opening an account and downloading it directly from the client portal. There are 4 types of accounts that you can open with DEGIRO. However, this broker does not offer demo accounts, because accounts can be created for free, and you can familiarize yourself with the trading platform at no cost. DEGIRO's accounts are known as profiles on the website and are designed for basic, beginner-level trading, active traders, regular traders, and day traders. The basic profile has the lowest investment risks and is DEGIRO's default account. With this profile, you can trade the most basic securities offered, such as many blue-chip shares, investment-grade government bonds, corporate bonds, basic ETFs, and investment funds. However, all instruments offered by DEGIRO can be accessed on the basic profile if you pass the appropriateness test. If you would like to trade on margin, sell short or trade derivatives, then you can upgrade to an active trader or day trader account at no additional cost. The active profile is designed for active traders and high-volume traders. However, margin trading is limited on this profile to keep investment risks low. The trader and day trader profiles offer higher margins. However, these profiles have greater risks and are only recommended to skilled and experienced investors. The day trader profile offers unique trading conditions for trading actively during the day. When you open an Islamic swap free account, no interest or rollover fees are charged or earned when using this type of account. However, it is unclear whether DEGIRO currently offers this type of account. Creating an account with DEGIRO may take up to 24 hours. However, the account creation process is straightforward and you can follow a few simple steps to sign up. Firstly, launch the DEGIRO homepage and then click on the Open an Account button. Next, you'll want to complete the online application form and then verify your account and email address. Next, you can log in to the client portal. No minimum deposit is required to open an account with DEGIRO, and upgrading your account is entirely free. Once your account is approved, head over to the client portal to start exploring the platform. DEGIRO only accepts direct bank-to-bank transfers, and unfortunately at this time, no third-party payment services can be used to fund your DEGIRO account. DEGIRO's Investors Academy is a great source of knowledge and inspiration, and you will find plenty of detailed guides and video tutorials here. This broker provides educational resources on everything from learning the basics of trading and investing to managing risks, implementing complex trading strategies, and using different order types. If you would like to learn more about using strategies to improve your performance or gain expert insights into investing like a professional and understanding how each type of instrument should be traded, simply hover your cursor over the Knowledge tab and choose one of the options from the drop-down menu. You can also visit DEGIRO's blog to find out more about the global economy and how economic events may impact your investments, or check out the tips and tricks provided to help you make more informed decisions. DEGIRO has won more than 80 international awards over the years, and some of the awards they have received include the Best Low-Cost Broker by Financial Times and Investors Chronicles in 2019, the Best Stockbroker by Rankia in 2018, the Best Online Broker by Cash Cow in 2019, the Fairest Online Broker by the Fairness Award in 2019, and many, many more. Overall, DEGIRO is one of the very few brokers that offer trading conditions specifically tailored for day traders, and we highly recommend trying out this broker if you are interested in this style of trading. This broker provides some of the best educational resources you will find online, and if you are new to trading, then you can improve your trading skills in no time with DEGIRO. By joining DEGIRO, you will have access to an exclusive award-winning platform, low-cost trading, and high-quality resources. No minimum deposit is required, and there are many perks to trading with DEGIRO, so why not open a free account? Try it out and see for yourself. Whether you're using a real account or a demo account, Remember that trading has high levels of financial risks, and online markets are volatile, so be sure to trade responsibly and only trust the advice of a professional advisor. We highly recommend reading over the terms and conditions of trading with any broker before making any financial commitments. And that is our overview of DEGIRO. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.